Hi and welcome to the fifth part of the 0200 series, and in this part we will start building the roof. It's not finished yet, but we've made a start at least. So first off, I made the basic shape and size out of cardboard, just as we did on the first floor. And the roof has a weird-ish shape, so it took a while to figure out how I was going to build that, basically. So after assembling all the cardboard, I covered the outside with 1mm balsa wood. That was mainly just to get the outer dimensions correct. And after that, I started cutting out all the vertical timbers that are going to, or planks maybe, that we are going to put on the roof section. So those are 1 by 1mm and 0.5 by 1mm, and I glued them on alternating all around the whole roof section, and then I trimmed it with a 3 by 1mm balsa wood all around, also because if you look at the pictures, it has this little trim that goes around the roof section, so I added that. And then I started on the roof properly, covered first the 3 sections that are going across the roof, and then the section that goes along the roof. That was pretty tricky to get correct, especially the one that goes along the roof. But since they're mirror images of each other, the second side was very simple, but the first side took probably 1.5 hours just to cut out and measure and do everything. After that, I flipped the roof over and cut out a opening for all the lighting, because we are going to have lighting in the building also. After that, I added magnets to the corners of the first floor, and also along the some of the inner walls, just to prepare for how I'm gonna make the roof detachable and also stay on during gameplay. And then I built all the electronics. What you see here is not the final electronics, it's just a very simple test setup. I got some LEDs and just a battery and a resistor, and yeah, I'm gonna play around with the size of the resistor so I get the right amount of lighting, but that will come in the future. This is just so I see that it works. And then we have the roof installed, basically. There are some things that I need to change. The roof has warped a bit, so I need to force it flat or something. And I noticed on the first floor, one of the walls is leaning outwards a little bit in the middle, so I need to change the inner walls also, slightly just to get it straight. And I also cut out the old floor. I changed that to, because it was a bit too high, so I cut that out and lowered it by 3 millimeters, I think. So just a minor tweak. I am going to take a couple of days off from building this and paint some minis, because I haven't painted anything in like 3 days. Just been building this, so gonna take a couple of days off, paint some World War I, and next up on the build is finishing the roof. It's going to have a metal roof, so I have to build that. It will be built in cardboard, but painted as metal. And also start building the doors. We have 3 doors, external doors and 2 inner doors. So 5 doors in total, and then we need to start building the base also, and all the stairs. So quite a lot of things to do still. If you have any comments or questions or anything, put them in the comment section below, and I'll see you on Wednesday.